Astronomers have cataloged 8 planets, 6,500 comets, and more than 525,000 asteroids within our solar system. Yet on October 19, 2017, in Hawaii, an unexpected discovery captivated millions of people and scientists around the globe, because what they found that day bore no resemblance to anything they had ever seen before. It was the first confirmed interstellar visitor observed passing through our cosmic neighborhood, an object named Oumuamua, which translates from Hawaiian to scout or messenger from afar. This traveler from deep space did not follow the usual rules. Unlike the countless asteroids and comets tethered to our sun by gravity, Oumuamua's trajectory revealed that it was not bound to our solar system at all. Instead, it had drifted in from the great unknown, then slipped back out again, never to return. The story of its discovery began with astronomer Rob Warwick, a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Hawaii's Institute for Astronomy. He was scanning images from the Pan-STARRS S1 telescope on Haleakala, searching for potentially hazardous objects approaching Earth. At first, he believed he had spotted a typical asteroid, but after reviewing images taken the previous night and piecing them together, he noticed that its orbit was highly unusual. It simply didn't match the paths of any familiar asteroid or comet. Instead, the object seemed to have originated far beyond our solar system. In the following days and weeks, telescopes around the world scrambled to observe Oumuamua as it dashed away at breakneck speed. Early speculation swung between classifying it as a comet or an asteroid. It displayed some characteristics of each, yet not enough to be confidently labeled one or the other. Unlike comets, it showed no visible coma, no halo of gas and dust. Yet it was moving too fast, as though it were receiving a slight push, much like the kind of outgassing that comets experience. With no visible tail and no cloud of debris, scientists were puzzled. All sorts of hypotheses emerged. Some researchers argued that it might be a fragment of a comet, whose surface layers had been stripped away during an impossibly long journey through interstellar space, leaving it hardened and devoid of easily vaporized material. Others suggested it could be a shard of a larger celestial body destroyed by gravitational tides in a distant star system. To further complicate matters, a handful of thinkers considered something more exotic. Could Oumuamua be an alien probe, an artifact of an advanced civilization's technology silently passing through our solar system? While the alien probe theory might raise eyebrows, it underscores just how strange and unprecedented this object was. Oumuamua's shape, too, was baffling. Instead of being roughly spherical or potato-like, common shapes for many cosmic bodies, it appeared elongated, like a colossal cigar. Estimates suggest it might have been about 300 feet long and only a few hundred feet wide. Equally intriguing was the way it rotated, tumbling end over end instead of spinning in a neat, stable pattern like most asteroids or comets. Some scientists theorized that this odd shape and spin could have resulted from a violent collision long ago, shattering a larger body into slender fragments. If it truly was once part of a planet, then we were glimpsing a relic of unimaginable cosmic violence. Perhaps a world torn apart by a close encounter with a dense red dwarf star. Yet for all its mysteries, one factor limited our ability to study Oumuamua: time. When it was discovered, it had already passed closest approach to the Sun, and was racing out of our solar system at tremendous speed, approaching nearly 200,000 miles per hour at one point. Astronomers had only a short window to observe it before it vanished into the darkness of interstellar space. They rapidly employed every available telescope, on Earth and in orbit, to gather data. Within weeks, the object had faded beyond our instrument's reach. To track down its origin, scientists turned to the European Space Agency's Gaia mission data, which precisely maps the positions and movements of over 1 billion stars. By retracing Oumuamua's path, they identified several candidate star systems it might have once passed near. Some evidence suggested it may have come from a binary star system, which could more easily fling objects into interstellar space than a single star system like our own. A few stars, HIP 3757, HD 29249, and others, rose as possible suspects, though no one can say for certain which, if any, truly birthed this cosmic traveler. Oumuamua's cameo in our solar system has triggered a broader realization. There may be countless such interstellar wanderers drifting between the stars. Some might carry water, organics, or other ingredients that could seed life on newborn worlds. Indeed, some scientists suggest that objects like this could have delivered the building blocks of life to Earth billions of years ago during the era of heavy bombardment. Soon, we may get more chances to investigate these interstellar ambassadors. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, formerly the Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, now under construction in Chile, will scan the entire night sky every few days, catching faint, fast-moving objects that we've never been able to spot before. Once operational, it may find one interstellar object each year, giving researchers the precious opportunity to study them more thoroughly and earlier in their journeys. Oumuamua's departure doesn't end the story. It launched a new era of discovery and speculation, though we couldn't definitively classify it as comet, asteroid, alien probe, or planetary fragment. This mysterious object broadened our perspective on what's possible in the cosmos. It served as a reminder that our solar system is not an isolated island, but a crossroads in a vast galaxy of wanderers. Some visitors might slip by unseen. Others might surprise us like Oumuamua did, carrying secrets locked in rock and ice, mementos of distant stars, and unfathomable events that shaped their journeys. While the alien probe idea may have been laid to rest, astronomers tried and failed to detect any radio signals. It remains true that Oumuamua was something unique. It stands as a herald of cosmic surprises yet to come. As technology improves and more telescopes like Rubin come online, we'll be ready. The universe is vast, and as Oumuamua taught us, it has no shortage of mysteries to share. We hope you enjoyed exploring this extraordinary chapter in cosmic history. Let us know in the comments what celestial phenomena you'd like to learn about next. If you found this story intriguing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. As we continue to examine the night sky, who knows what astonishing discoveries await us, waiting to be caught in the gaze of our telescopes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.